Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Virgo. Virgo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings. Ooh. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. So first of all, we'll check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. So Virgo, we have got the Fool for you, and this Eight of Wands is your partner's current energy. Virgo, it seems like you are being very energetic in life right now, okay, and you are being very much into your own energies. Perhaps you have seen some bad phases in life, but now you want to restart your life from afresh, okay, and people around you must be trying to stop you, that please don't go ahead, please don't do that, but you are being into your own energies. You're not listening to them, you're not giving any kind of attention to such energies or such objections or obligations. But the best part is that you are taking a leap of faith in life, okay. Perhaps you just want to start something new in life, and you do not want to you don't want to think much about it. You just want to take an action like this way, okay. So this is your current energy, the Fool. Now this is your partner's current energy, Eight of Wands. So Virgo, with this card I can feel your person is waiting for some kind of a confirmation or some kind of a communication. It could also happen that your person must be waiting for you to take some action towards them, or I can see that your person is getting some kind of a confirmation from somewhere, okay. If I talk about from their job thing, perhaps they must be getting some kind of a job of a proposal or some kind of a offer letter from somewhere. And when if I talk about from a relationship perspective, then also I can see that they are getting some kind of a download from you, okay. If I have to elaborate these two cards, then I can sense that either you are taking a leap of faith with this person and you want to start something new with this person, or it could be a vice versa. I mean, it could be a complete opposite situation also, Virgo, for you. Perhaps you don't want to continue with this person and you just want to free yourself, okay, from any kind of commitments right now. Perhaps you just want to focus on somebody else. Perhaps you just want to focus on your career first. Perhaps you just want to focus on your job, finances and all that, okay. So these two messages are coming into my mind. Either you are going to commit to this person, or you are going to reject this person, okay. So this kind of communication your person can get from you in coming time. Now let's see what is the mutual current energy between you and your person, Virgo. What is the so I have got two cards. The first card is morality and the second card is totality. Alright, so the first card is morality and this second card, totality, says that one of you has is stuck in their own preconceived notions, okay. Perhaps one of you is living in Stone Age right now, okay. They have listened, they have practiced some kind of a ritual or some kind of practices in their past relationships. So now they want you, I mean, it could be you, it could be them. So the other person wants the other person to behave in a certain manner. It could be you, that you want your person to behave in a certain manner, and it could also happen from their perspective that they want you to behave and they want you to act in this relationship in a certain manner, okay. And if I talk about this card, totality, it seems like both of you are trying really hard to get together, okay, to be together. But whether you are going to connect in future, or whether this is going to be the relationship for both of you for the rest of your life, that is going to be completely depends upon your mutual understanding, mutual efforts, mutual agreement, okay. So it's not that it's only you who is putting all your efforts and this person is not doing anything for this relationship. okay, and it should also not happen for in your case, Virgo, okay. It's not that your person should give their all their efforts, and you won't give any kind of commitment or contribution in this relationship, okay. So this is a teamwork basically. So if you guys are ready to do a teamwork, then something can happen, otherwise nothing can happen. All right, now Virgo, I'm going to check 3 cards for you. Let's just see how it sees you. Okay, so I got how your person sees you, what actions they are taking towards you, and what actions they can take towards you in future. So the first card is laziness. Virgo, your person is seeing you as somebody who's being very lazy at this point of time in life, okay. Because your person sees you as somebody that you must have achieved something in your life, but at the same time, from your person's perspective, you are still on the rock, okay. You are still on an unstable ground, so you need to stable your ground. You need a strong base to stand, okay. But on the other hand, you feel yourself, I mean, you feel yourself that I have achieved a lot. Perhaps your person also sees you as somebody you have achieved a lot, but right now your life is asking you to take an action. All right, and from side towards nothing, because they are daydreaming about you. They are dreaming about you, about your and their conversations. They're about the good memories which you guys have made together, and actions as of now, because they are very much involved and indulged in this dreaming sessions right now. The future card for you, Virgo, it could happen that, after giving a lot of thought about it, that what should I do, or whether I should take a call or on this relationship with my Virgo, or what should I do to get my Virgo's attention and all that. I think that in future they are going to let go something, okay. If it is their ego, they are going to let go of this egoistic thing, and something is going to happen for you are going in future. It seems like they are going to free themselves from this morality ground, or from this morality frame, okay. They'll free themselves, and they'll say, okay, now it's completely into your hand. I'll do what you want to say, or what you will ask me to do, okay. Okay, so Virgo, I can feel that some of you could be dealing with fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. We have air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius in this reading. Some of you could be dealing with water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and we have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, another earth sign in this reading, okay. So you guys must have been dealing with that too, okay. So that was your reading, Virgo. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.